Hello and welcome to the Craft Bar. Let's slow down at the end of another long week and come up with some ways that we can relax over the weekend. And my mom sent me some really fun ideas for things she made this week. So I'm going to share those with you, and then maybe you've got ideas for yourself. That's really what this is, maybe a chance to inspire you. If it's your first time to visit, we've got a whole playlist of projects that myself or my mom or others have created and we like to showcase here. Just a way to kick off a happy hour with a happy project. First, I'll show you, my mom sent me her list of materials. So let's see what we've got. She has some lace. This is really pretty. Oh, that's vintage. I got a feeling we're going to see something. Well, she likes vintage, so that's not surprising. But definitely, oh, it's got elastic. Oh, I didn't expect that. That's nice. Elastic, she got a bunch of it. Looks like she used about half of the package. And so this is a beige ruffle trim, 1.6 inches. There's no brand on this, so she said she got it on Amazon. This is dollhouse cowboy hats. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. I wonder what that will be on. Let us find out. She's got, oh, fun. Okay, that looks like that was a test model. I see a lot of glue on that. We've all been there. But look, a yellow rose. Okay, Texas yellow rose. These are cute. Okay. Ooh, brown leather. There's no packaging on this, so I don't know. I'm assuming she got this on Amazon, but I don't know. Brown leather. And then Spring Fantasy Ephemera. A book by Leticia Ralph Publishing. So, Leticia Ralph. I'll be curious how the cowboy hat aligns with the fairy. Alright, well, pretty. Her materials, I like them. Let's see what she made with them. Oh, okay. I immediately see the cowboy hats. Oh, this is all pretty. She bought 2 individual tins, and then she embellished them into almost like a shadow box picture frame for her nieces who she just loves, and they are very fun, and this is a great, these are cute. Okay, so she got 4x6 photos. She rounded the edges. I can see that, right? She used a matching rounding punch and rounded her edges to fit in there. She added in the bandana paper. She did that. She said she got just a plain 12x12 sheet from Hobby Lobby and then cut it very well. I mean, this looks really good. If I did not know, I probably would have thought she bought it that way. She got it very close up in here. Very nice, and then all the way down. So she covered it with the bandana paper, and she did that on the outside too. And then she put down that kind of piece of cowhide paper on the back. Then she put the lace, so we saw that lace and her materials, and then covered where the lace was joined down with the leather. Pretty. She told me she used E6000 for her fabrics, that adheres better, and I bet so, especially with that much tactile, right? This would not just adhere with Xyron. That's definitely extra glue adhered in. And then she added in, because we're from Texas, several little yellow roses and small 2 red ribbon pull bows, which matches along with what they're wearing. They've got the neck bows on. Oh, they look so cute. That's great. And then yellow roses on the top. And then here is the cowboy hat. So she added those cowboy hats and put a yellow rose. Pretty. And then she did this herself. So in a picture making kit, she got a picture making kit, and then those aren't hot glued in. This is E6000 on. She tied in, and then she went back and she added glue to her knots so that they won't come unfrayed. That's smart. That's an extra tip that I probably would not have thought to do, and then would have regretted it. Very fun. All right, so that is a great way to use a metal tin and turn it into a picture book or a picture frame. To go along with that, she has a card for each of them. I did put a strip of paper over. I'm trying to, little anonymity here, but my mom put their name on the front of each card. But look, that feminine cowboy background paper. And then it feels almost like felt. I wonder where she got that piece of felt ribbon. Glued it down, and she put through one of her she loves some Tim Holtz. This is one of these Tim Holtz. And she's told me the name of these things, but there's a name for what this is so that it can hold these little charms. Very cute, though. Very cute. And then inside, is that? Oh, that's fun. fun. She cut out the boot and then added, and then, you know, dabbed in some pink ink. Well, that's fun. So they're each going to get the picture and then a matching card. Beautiful. Remember I said they had a lid for these tins, and she did find a purpose for the lid because they don't need to go onto the picture frame. So she took the lids and she made the cutest second Easter hangings. And same thing. So this was the lid, and she E6000 a picture frame, two hangers, and then took the wire that came in the same frame or in the same picture frame kit and added on. And I think you picked that up at Dollar Tree. But inside, so the same ribbon. No, this is a different ribbon. She used a smaller ribbon. Maybe she already had that in her stash and went around that edge. Wonder what that is. That's 1/2 inch. So easy, 1/2 inch. And then paper, the image, stickles. Oh, and she put paper along the edge on the inside of this as well. That's detail. I don't think I would have done that. I might have left that silver or painted it. I might have painted it because that's a lot of measuring and getting exact. And she did. And this ribbon really matches beautifully with the colors in this. Because the green and the pink, she's got that really nice. That's cute. Okay, and then this one, oh, little piggy with the speckled eggs and that blue and white paper. Really, And there's a little bit of print, a little, you know, some words on there. I think it might be French. I don't know what it says. And then again with the glue. Love it. And this one's more Easter specific. I think this might just be spring, but I would leave this up all spring. That's just so cute. These are precious. Okay. This is hard. I like everything she made. I've been inspired. So she took 2 tins and used the tins to make 2 matching picture frame holders. And then after that, used the lids to turn it into 2 very, very, very cute, very charming. I love this one. So this is my favorite. If I'm choosing, this is my favorite of the things my mom presented me with. Love the cards. These are great job. He's precious. I would hang him up and enjoy him happily. So I don't know who she's planning to give this to, but if it's not marked, I'm gonna see if I can bribe her with a craft of my own and we can swap. All right, well, I'm happy. That's a great start to my happy hour for the weekend. I'm going to find some other crafts. I'm going to go scroll through YouTube and Pinterest and get myself inspired. I hope you do the same. If you want to, check out the rest of our playlist. Get some inspiration from other crafts we've featured. Like and subscribe. We'd love to have you back. Thank you for watching. We are always happy to have a viewer here with us. So we will see you again soon. Have a great weekend.